welcome to my channel. This is Wadi. Thank you for tuning in today. I trust you guys are doing well, staying safe and staying blessed. Alright, we are in fall season right now. We just entered fall, so it's time for pumpkin. It's pumpkin season, so I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin bread, but the low carb version, which is keto pumpkin bread. Alright, so these are the things you're going to be needing. Over here you have the pumpkin. I got it from this can. This is, make sure it's 100% pumpkin, not mixed with anything. I already brought it out, measured out everything. Of course, you're going to be needing almond flour blanched. Over here you see I have kosher salt. I'm going to be adding flaxseed. This is already the measured flours. Over here is coconut flour and almond flour. I want to mix both, but you can use only either almond or coconut. I just want to mix both to, make it more solid. Here is the flaxseed. You could add almond on it or hazelnut, whatever, or you leave it plain. You're going to need vanilla. You're going to need some cloves. And your sweetener, I love to use this one because it's smoother. And I think the taste is kind of less sweeter for me. You're going to be needing 4 eggs. And of course, this is my melted butter. And the salt, everything has been measured out here. And this is going to be my bowl. I'm going to be using this little pan, which is kind of rusty, but it's seen a lot. This is like 7 years old pan. So it's seen a lot of baking. All right, and the baking soda and all that. So let me show you how to put this together. This is quite easy. It's good for your breakfast, even your dinner if you're on a low carb or you're trying to lose that belly fat and all that, which I'm trying to do now because I added some pounds. So this is what you're going to be needing. All right, so let's go. Let me show you how to make this. But before this, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Let it be heating up. And then while we'll mix our ingredients together. Meanwhile, before I start, if you're seeing my channel for the first time, thank you for coming. You're welcome. Please subscribe to my channel. Consider subscribing. I will really appreciate it. Like the video. Share the video with your friends and family on your social media platforms. It will be of great help to so many people. And to you, my returning subscribers, God bless you. Thank you for returning again. I pray for God's goodness in your life. Thank you guys for always supporting this channel. It is growing and I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. I love you all. So let's go into making this. Alright guys, the first thing is going to be the wet ingredient. This is the melted butter. This is unsalted butter. I love to use Kerrygold, but you can use any other unsalted butter that you like. So the melted butter is here. I'm going to go ahead and put in the pumpkin. You could use all or just half of it, is up to you. I like to use all. I want to get the whole pumpkin taste. You can also make your own pumpkin puree. That's a whole lot of work. I just go ahead and buy a fresh one and I'm good to go. So before I add the egg, I just want to mix this together. Okay, so right now we're going to pour in the eggs. And we're going to mix again. So now you put your cinnamon. Mix. That was your vanilla. I said cinnamon. Anyway, they're all the same. So I'm going to add a cinnamon. Cinnamon goes very well, believe me, very, very well with pumpkin. Gives it a nice taste. I'm kind of out of it. While we're adding that, if you have pumpkin spice, you can skip this step and just add it. But I like to make my own spice. It's kind of better for me. That way I know what I have inside. But meanwhile, they sell it in the store. Ooh, it smells so good. And of course, you're going to be adding your cloves. Cloves is very important. That's part of everything they have in the store-bought pumpkin spice. But at least if you make yours, guys, you will like it the more. Believe me. So I'm going to go ahead and whisk. So now I add the salt and the baking soda. I like to use baking soda to help it rise a little bit, but you could use baking powder. And also my pan is small because, anything keto bread does not rise like a regular flour would rise. So I use a smaller pan to give it that sandwich size, just in case you want to use your bread, whatever kind of bread you're making, in case you want to use it for sandwich. So right now, this is set. What we're gonna do now is to introduce the dry mixtures. So first of all, I'm gonna put in the 1.5 cup of almond flour. I'm not gonna whisk. I'm gonna use my spatula to incorporate it. And I'm gonna add my sweetener and the coconut flour and the flaxseed. This is a good source of fiber, guys. You need it, but you can skip it if you don't want it. You could use chia seed also. So you incorporate them together. Alright, this is our batter. It's quite ready. Hopefully it fits in this pan. I really want it to fit in one pan because I want the shape of the bread to be like high enough. So when I slice one, I know that one is enough for me for the day. So right now we're going to be transferring it into our greased pan. You could grease with butter. I greased mine with olive oil. You can also grease with coconut oil. It's your choice. Oh, thank God it fits. So I'm just going to level it up, and it's going to go in the oven for an hour or even 70 minutes because you need it to be really done. Let me scoop out all this. I don't want to miss out on anything. Okay. Beautiful. I'm glad I didn't have to use 2 pans. Let me just see if I can level it up. Okay guys, this is ready. Right now I'm taking it to the oven. Remember it's preheated already, so it's going to be there for 1 hour to 1 hour 10 minutes, which is like 70 minutes. So see you then. Alright guys, it's out of the oven. I'm going to allow it to cool before we slice it. The reason why it's dark is because of the flaxseed. If you didn't add the flaxseed, it's going to be golden color, okay? So let's wait till it cools. Alright guys, it's kind of cool enough. So I think I should be able to slice it. I'm just trying to be careful because if you're not careful, it's gonna scatter. It's still hot, but not that hot. So let's go ahead and slice it and see how it is inside. Okay. So far, we're good. So far, we're doing nice. It is super. Well, not super. Okay, guys. I present to you your keto pumpkin bread. I'm sorry for my hand. So you see that it's well done. You can bake this and you will eat with no guilt. You would enjoy it. It's tasty, it's flavorful, it's low carb. Believe me, this is like 4 to 5 net carb. You see that? So I mean 1 slice a day, or 1 slice. Let me say 1 slice a day. Yeah, 1 slice a day actually. It's good enough for you so you don't lose your, your diet. So remember, follow the way I made it. If you are interested in using the sliced almond, you're going to top it before you put it in the oven. I really don't want to. I was only showing it so you guys can see. You could use either almond, cashew, or any healthy nuts, and just top it, or you just leave it like this. So thank you so much for joining me, guys. Go ahead and recreate your own pumpkin bread. Tag me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook page, and let me see what you came up with. Thank you so much. Again, I welcome you all every time to my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't. God bless you all. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Bye.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do